Welcome back to another Buc-ee's construction update video. Today's Saturday, May 24th, 2025. We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, across the street from Ohio's First Buc-ee's. And we ran into a couple fellow YouTubers while we were down here. We got Manny Quacioua and Wetzel. You guys go ahead and tell everybody about your channels and how they can find you.
All right, so mine is Wetzel. I film abandoned retail malls, dead malls, living malls, just stuff like that, urban exploration, and we go on a lot of trips and just hit as many places as we can, and we like to share places like that with our viewers.
And I'm Manny Quacioua. I filmed a lot of Kmart stores. I do a lot of mall videos. I do a lot of random stuff, and just put in Manny Quacioua, and there you go.
We've been watching these guys on YouTube for a while, and we're down here across the street flying our drone, and Sonia says there's a couple people over there taking pictures, so we did a little investigation. We said, that looks like Wetzel and Manny Quacioua. No way. So we came over here and said hello, and we wanted to introduce you guys to them, and please go to their channels and drop a like it, subscribe, let them know Follow the Arrow sent you.
Wow. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Have a safe trip. Where are you guys heading this weekend? Memorial Day weekend?
Dayton.
Dayton? There's a lot to see down there, so we'll look forward to the videos.
Oh,
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Well, that was nice getting to meet Wetzel and Manny Quacioua. We were over here flying our drone, and Sonia saw some people over by the fence, and she said there's a couple people over there taking pictures. So we got one of our phones out and did a 30 times zoom, and she says, well, it looks like Wetzel and Manny Quacioua. So we, unfortunately, with the Arch Road being closed, it's a little bit of a challenge to get over there. And
yeah, we knew they were in Ohio from watching some of their videos.
So we got to say hello to those guys, and we'll put a link to both of their YouTube channels in the description, so get a chance, go check them out. Tell them Follow the Arrow sent you. As far as this week's construction update, work's continuing on the roof trusses and supports. The north or the south parking lot, they've done a little bit of work over there. It's starting to take shape. You can see the definition of where that parking lot's going to be. The fuel pump islands doesn't look a whole lot different than it did when we were down here on Monday. The underground storage tanks, work's progressing there. It looks like they're covering them up after all this time. Arch Road behind us here, I don't see a whole lot of changes from Monday, but something's going on there. The road is closed. Center Point Drive or Boulevard down there, work's continuing on the road widening there. They haven't yet closed the exit ramp from I-70 west to 235. That's actually the way we came in today. Normally we don't come in that way, but we had something we needed to do today over by Columbus, and we really didn't think we'd get back here in time to do this today, but we did. So here we are. We get it knocked out. We won't have to come back down here on Sunday or Monday.
There's a lot of cotton flying around out here, if you can see it in the video. That's why it tickled my nose.
So it's Memorial Day weekend. The weather's a little cool this year, in the 60s. A cool breeze, but it's nice. It's dry. It's not raining. No storms. So
we'll take it.
Not really a whole lot else to report from the construction site this week. So I think that'll do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
This is the exit ramp from I-70 westbound, State Route 235. The Ohio Department of Transportation is going to close this ramp next week, perform some upgrades in preparation for the new Buc-ee's location. As we drive down the exit ramp, you can see some of the preparation for the work has already started. Here inside the retail store, you can see a couple construction workers working on one of the lifts inside the building. Here's a look at the North Fuel Island area. This is the underground fuel storage tank area. You can see this area is being covered up. This is Center Point Boulevard. You can see the road construction work that's taking place here. Here's a look from the drone of the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. It's going to be closed next week for upgrades. You can see some of the preparation for that has already started.